everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to make a quick banana bread that my family just really loves, and it's really easy to make, just quick ingredients. So let's get started. First, I went ahead and melted a half a cup of butter, poured it in the bowl, and after that I am going to add 1 cup of sugar. You can use less, actually. You don't really need that much, but that's just a guideline to go by. So you want to mix it up really well. So all the butter and sugar is mixed together. Quick whirl. Then, of course, you add your eggs. This recipe that I make uses 2 eggs. And you mix it up again as well till it's all one creamy consistency. Can't really see the separation of the egg and sugar and the butter. That's when you know it's good. Now, with this recipe, I mash up 1 cup of bananas, really ripe bananas. And for this one, usually 3 to 4 bananas is just right for this recipe. It'll do the job, give you nice flavor. Want to mix it up again till it's all the same consistency. Next, we'll be adding the dry ingredients. Of the dry ingredients, you're going to want to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You add that to the flour, 2 cups of flour for this one. So those 3 ingredients are the dry ingredients. Just give it a quick stir. Then you start adding the dry ingredients to the mixture gradually. Again, keep mixing until you don't see flour on the sides. You can easily wipe that down with the spatula. Keep adding the dry ingredients until they're all finished. You've added it all. So once you've added all the flour, you'll start to notice that it's becoming, like the mixture is becoming some sort of a dough. And that's where I guess the banana bread comes, the name comes from. So you want to actually add 1/3 cup of hot water. Now that's very important. This step right here is you want to add the hot water before you add the chocolate chips. I made the mistake one time, and I added the hot water after I added the chocolate chips, and it didn't turn out bad. It just the batter was chocolatey. So, and then because all the chocolate chips had melted. So once the hot water is completely mixed all together with the batter, that's when you will start adding my secret ingredient here on top of the chocolate chips. I like to add the Heath Toffee Bits, and that gives that a nice little flavor. Then I add the chocolate chips. Now, the chocolate chips I really don't measure. I just try to like to see how it looks with the rest of the batter. But if you want to go by a certain amount, you can add 1 cup of chocolate chips. And then for the walnuts, the chopped walnuts, anywhere between 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of chopped walnuts. And yeah, then you just give it a quick mix and make sure you have that pan sprayed before you empty it into the bowl. And then, yeah, you bake it for 50 minutes at 325 degrees. I also like to sprinkle the walnuts on top, but you don't have to. That's just added. My family likes it. And thank you for watching.